Good afternoon. My name is Ron Gardner, and I'm a facilitator here at Roper Consulting LLC here at Oxford, Georgia. Today, we're going to be introducing some basics of sales projections. Sales projections are very important so that you could estimate the number of sales and customers that you will need during the year. Again, sales is not a science, it is an art based on the best available information that you have. Enjoy the presentation. Let's briefly go through the sales forecasting process. The number one thing that you need to do is you have to have some goal setting for your forecasting. So you have to have some idea of the business that you're in and what other similar customers are spending and what are the sales revenues from similar businesses. So you need to gather that data, do some analysis, and look at the best business model that's out there in the industry for choosing your basic sales numbers. Then you would want to use that to do some forecasting, and there's numerous ways to do that. And after that, then you would then look at the outcomes of that forecast to see how accurate you are. What questions do you need to know about your business? The number one question is, how much do I need to earn um, to make a living for myself, family, and the lifestyle that I have, plus how much do I have to earn for the business? In this presentation, we're going to simply just look at how much I would like to earn for the business the first year and maybe up until 5 years. But the first year forecast is the most important. The next thing is, how much will that cost me? I'm going to sell the products at what price? Typically, your markup should be at least 25% so that my profit will be a good profit on the amount that I'm bringing in. So you can do it based on what the percent of profit should be or the percent of the cost of the sale. The number, the other thing that you need to look at are the customers. You know, what type of customers do you have? Do you have high-end customers, low-end customers? And what products and services are they going to purchase and at what price are they willing to pay? For our simple example, we're using um, the estimate that we are going to be making $100,000 in earnings or sales from our customers during the year. Now, our cost of services, that is how much will it cost for the services that we're rendering, and we're estimating that to be $35,000. So the sales minus the cost of the services, the difference of that would be the profit. And our profit based on that would be $65,000 a year. What customers do I need? In this example, we're going to be using the scenario that we would like to earn $100,000 for the nail services business. Now, our standard selling price that a customer is willing to pay would be $50 per service charge. That is, when I go out to a customer and I provide a service, the average price that I'm going to get is $50. So, how do I compute that? That would simply be done by the number of the total amount that I want to earn that year, which would be $100,000, and I would divide that over the $50 per sale, and that would equal 2,000 customers. So I would need 2,000 customers to earn $100,000 yearly.